Hi, I'm Kelly Sanford, and I'm going to talk about the parameters of normal vocal quality today. The first thing I'm going to do is do a recording of me reading the Rainbow Passage, or a short part of the Rainbow Passage, and then we will look at that recording and see what we can find. When the sunlight strikes raindrops in the air, they act as a prism and form a rainbow. The rainbow is a division of white light into many beautiful colors. These take the shape of a long round arch with its path high above and its two ends apparently beyond the horizon. I'm going to name this. Then we can look at the recording here. We'll take a small section. And the first quality we're going to look at is the maximum frequency range. This was measured from the passage I just read. If we look at the pitch here and the minimum and the maximum range of our pitch, for a spontaneous speech, a young adult female has a normal range of about 95 hertz. So here my hertz were a little less than that, the range. Speech that lacks this flexibility sounds more monotone. Different emotions, accent, stress of syllables, and grammatical constrictions impact this frequency. The next one we're going to look at is speaking the fundamental frequency. This was, again, measured in the passage I just read. We're going to look at the pitch again, the mean pitch, so the average pitch I had was 174 hertz. So an average fundamental frequency for a female is between 180 and 250 hertz. For a female my age, it's around 195 hertz. My mean pitch was a little below that. The next quality is the minimum to maximum intensity at various fundamental frequency levels. And this was again measured in the passage I read. We're going to look at the shimmer in decibels down here. My shimmer was 0.953 decibels, and a healthy speaker should be able to vary his or her amplitude by a minimum of 20 to 30 decibels in the mid-range frequency. The shimmer should be below 0.5 decibels, which would be normal. So mine's a little above. So a person who shows a restricted range of amplitude variation may be a little monotone. The next one we're going to look at is the periodicity of vibration. And this was from the passage. We're going to look at the jitter, which is up here. So the jitter level in the normal range for a human voice is 0.2 to 1%. And this normal is nearly periodic. A vibration that is excessively aperiodic should sound rough or hoarse. So mine is a little aperiodic. The next one is the noise generated by the turbulent airflow. And we're going to look at the passage I read with the harmonics to noise ratio. So the higher our harmonics to noise ratio, the components of the voice predominate over the noise. The lower the harmonic to noise ratio is, the more noise that exists in the voice. So mine was 12.925 decibels, and an average female adult is around 15.38. And then the last quality we're going to look at, we are going to do maximum phonation time. And I'm going to time myself sustaining a phoneme and see how long I can do it. So I will get my timer up. Okay. So I was able to do it for 16 seconds. An adult average is able to about 15 to 25 seconds, and a child's able to sustain this phonation for about 10 seconds. The lack of ability to sustain phonation for an expected amount of time indicates a problem in that adequately valving an airstream for speech. And so all of our qualities are the maximum frequency range, the speaking, the fundamental frequency, minimum to maximum intensity at various fundamental levels, the periodicity of vibration, noise generated by turbulent airflow, and maximum phonation time.